Good morning, everyone. Getting ready for happy fall, y'all. I can't wait. I want the heat out of here. 98 degrees today, high humidity, can't breathe. I'm ready for this to be over. So, the big thing I want to talk to everybody about, and this is not a lie or a joke, I can have between $10,000 and $150,000 hit your bank account by Friday. You can go on Facebook and ask people in my group, do I really do it? I really do it. I'll let you know. I'll ask a couple questions, let you know if you can get approved. This is for anybody that has any kind of business. So if you Uber, if you side gig, if you play music in a hall once a month, if you paint houses, if you paint pictures and you sell them, if you do anything to make any kind of money, okay? If you sell Tupperware, if you sell Avon, this is all a business that you can get a loan to improve for. It's a COVID-19 thing. It's the EIDL. We're supposed to get a $10,000 grant that you don't have to pay back, but you can also get the EIDL loan, and you can get up to $2.5 million. I got people texting me right now. They want me to get it because they just seen that I got it for someone else. I'm not going to say who because, that's up to that person to say, hey, I got this loan and it really works. But we're really doing it. Changing lives one at a time. I don't know who gets more excited, me or the person who gets the loan. There is a small fee based on how much you get. And you can text me at 910-368-1603. And even if you think you can't get approved, what would it hurt? Say, hey, text me, hey, Pam, do you think I can get approved if I do this side hustle where I sell baseball cards, once a year? Yes, you can. Or I'll say, no, you can't. I'll let you know. Can you or can't you? But okay, I'm going to list this and I hope somebody gets back to me. All right. Bye-bye.